Alex cautiously steps through the warehouse, discovering a charred Ferrari LaFerrari among the dusty debris and ruins. Under bright lights, Alex inspects the melted shell and begins removing a damaged side mirror with gloved hands. Alex uses power tools to detach the burnt front fender, exposing the heat-warped subframe and falling soot flakes. Stripping the panels reveals smoke-damaged wiring as Alex methodically cleans soot from the complex hybrid engine components. Now a skeletal chassis, Alex carefully disconnects electrical lines and vacuums ash from the severely compromised engine bay. The bare, metallic structure is prepared for cleaning as high-pressure sprays reveal raw gray metal beneath the oxidation. Sparks fly as Alex operates a powerful sandblaster, meticulously removing every stubborn remnant of rust and burnt residue. Alex inspects every weld with specialized tools, ensuring the uniform metallic gray chassis is structurally sound and pristine. Using a TIG welder, Alex strengthens weakened joints and smooths fresh welds to match the original factory contours. After applying body filler, Alex sands the surface until the metallic gray chassis is perfectly symmetrical and smooth. Wearing a respirator, Alex sprays the first coat of epoxy primer, transforming the metal into a matte gray. A heavier second coat of primer creates a flawless matte gray finish, sealing the core structure for durability. Alex meticulously sands the matte gray surface, checking for imperfections to ensure the foundation is absolutely flawless. Precision is key as Alex routes colorful new wiring harnesses and fluid lines through the clean, matte gray chassis. Alex mounts new suspension and braking components, checking alignments against the sturdy matte gray base with extreme care. Disassembling the damaged V12, Alex labels charred components while cleaning carbon deposits from the complex hybrid battery cells. Sonic cleaners restore the original sheen to metallic parts, while Alex inspects every piston for tiny, hidden microfractures. Brand new pistons and wiring harnesses are organized on the workbench, ready to replace the damaged, charred engine components. Alex begins reassembling the V12 block, carefully installing the crankshaft and pistons with factory-specified precision and lubrication. The nearly complete engine is tested with diagnostic equipment, humming with potential as turbochargers and manifolds are attached. An overhead crane lowers the powerful V12 into the chassis as Alex meticulously aligns the critical engine mounts. Working beneath the car, Alex secures the transmission and drive shafts, integrating the mechanical heart into the chassis. High-voltage cables and control units are connected, allowing Alex to confirm seamless communication across the entire hybrid system. Alex fills the systems with essential fluids, carefully calibrating levels and checking every connection for potential leaks. The V12 roars to life during the first startup, marking a powerful milestone in this incredible mechanical resurrection. Inspecting new carbon fiber panels, Alex test fits the rear shell, beginning the car's dramatic transformation back to form. The hood and fenders are bolted on, their dark carbon fiber weave contrasting sharply with the matte gray chassis. As doors and side skirts are attached, Alex meticulously checks every panel gap for a perfect factory-level fit. Fully clothed in bare carbon fiber, the car's aggressive silhouette is inspected with straight edges and feeler gauges. Alex masks off the engine bay and scuffs the carbon fiber panels, preparing the surface for paint adhesion. A thin layer of light gray primer covers the dark weave, giving the Ferrari a sleek, sculptural appearance. The second coat of primer creates a uniform light gray canvas, perfectly preparing the body for vibrant metallic gold. Alex sands the primed body to a glass-smooth finish, ensuring the surface is ready for the ultimate color transformation. Using degreasers and compressed air, Alex removes every speck of dust from the pristine, light gray primed shell. The shimmering metallic gold pigment is mixed to the perfect viscosity, signaling the start of the final painting stage. A translucent mist of gold begins to define the car's contours, catching the light with a subtle, glittering glow. The second coat deepens the color, as metallic flakes create a vibrant shimmer across the elegant golden curves. With the third coat, the Ferrari glows with rich gold, achieving consistent color and depth across every panel. Alex applies the fourth layer, ensuring complex curves are perfectly covered in a lustrous, high-end metallic gold finish. The final base coat is complete, leaving the car radiating with an opulent, uniform gold that captures the light. High-gloss clear coat is applied, instantly enhancing the gold's brilliance and creating a deep, wet-looking protective layer. A second thick layer amplifies the sparkle, turning the surface into a mirror-like reflection of pure golden luxury. The final clear coat creates a spectacular three-dimensional effect, locking in the intense brilliance of the polished gold. Alex inspects the cured finish, confirming the vibrant surface is ready for the final, meticulous stage of machine polishing. Rotary polishers bring out a liquid-like sheen, perfecting the depth and reflectivity of the car's stunning gold exterior. Pristine windows and modern LED lights are installed, providing a sharp contrast against the dazzling polished gold bodywork. Inside the cockpit, Alex fits black leather and carbon fiber trim, creating a luxurious and high-tech interior space. Final buffing with ultra-fine compounds creates an incredible mirror-like depth that gleams flawlessly under the garage lights. After a final quality check, the completed masterpiece stands ready, a vision of unparalleled luxury and automotive excellence. Alex pushes the reborn Ferrari to its limits on the track, the golden bodywork shimmering brilliantly in the sunlight.